Well, I guess it's time for Art Factory. I'm your host, Miss Marissa, and it's not day 1, not day 2, but it's day 3 of the Valentine's Day Heart Art Lovey-Dovey Extravaganza. And I'm so excited to see you today. Pretty good for a Wednesday, if I do say so myself. I'm not the only one excited to see you. We have our 2 friends, Lola and Larry, the lovebirds. Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, you're having so much fun this week? Me too. Now Larry, I was wondering, if you wanted to, I don't know, impress Lola, what do you think you would get her for Valentine's Day? Some bird seed? I don't know. Maybe I'll talk to Lola and give you some hints. Lola, sorry about that. Act like you didn't hear anything. Lola, what would you love for Larry to give you for Valentine's Day? Some flowers? I would love that too. I'll have to make sure to let Larry know. And if there's anyone listening out there wondering what to get me for Valentine's Day, some flowers might be a good idea. Anyway, let me go ahead and talk to Larry. Larry, I got the sitch. She would love flowers for Valentine's Day. Do you think we could make some? Absolutely. I could whip up a bouquet for you. I think that's a great idea for us today. Let's make a beautiful bouquet of flowers that you can give to someone you love. We're gonna need a few things. We're gonna need some fake flower petals. You can get these at your local Dollar Tree, super cheap. They always have them, and in a few different colors. You're gonna need some bottle glue. The glue stick is not gonna cut it for this one. A few green pipe cleaners for the stems. A nice cutout of a vase. I wrote a little message on mine. You make my heart bloom. And a piece of paper for some background. You might need some scissors too. Let's get started. You're gonna start by putting down your vase. Get that glue on there and glue it down on your paper. Next, you're gonna need to grab your pipe cleaners. They're gonna be way too long, so have an adult help you measure and cut the stems to the right length. You might even could get 3 whole stems out of 1 pipe cleaner. That's what I did. Once you have your pipe cleaners, lay them out so you can see how you want your flowers to go. Next, you're going to put glue down on your paper. This is the tricky part. You're going to need a lot of glue to help this fabric stick, so you'll really have to push. It might get a little sticky. After your pipe cleaners are pressed down, put 3 glue dots near your stems. Then you can press down the flower petals onto the glue. Do that for all 3 flowers, and voila! You have a beautiful bouquet. Though you might have to wash the glue off your hands. Wow, these flowers turned out beautiful! That's a vase good enough to put in your house. Let's show Larry. Larry, check out these flowers! You want to give them to Lola? Absolutely. Lola, look, we made some flowers for you. They're everything you ever wanted? Well, you make my heart bloom. I had so much fun making these flowers with you today. Maybe you can give yours to someone that you really care about to show them that you love them. I can't wait for tomorrow. It's going to be our 4th day of the Art, Heart, Love, Valentine's Day Holiday Extravaganza Palooza. Okay. I'll see you next time.